Let's solve LeetCode problem 121, best time to buy and sell stock. This is a fairly easy problem and we only have to subtract the minimum value so far from the current value. Let's start with the implementation by declaring profit variable with value is equal to 0. Then we will also declare another variable min so far with value as 99999. Then we will start iterating over the array one by one. We will check which value is minimum so far, that is the min value so far or the current value. Then we will check what is the max profit so far. Is it the existing profit or the value minus min so far? Then we will return the profit. Let's see if our solution is accepted or not. Our solution has been accepted and the time complexity for this solution is big O of n and space complexity is constant, that is big O of 1. Let's dry run the example. Currently our min so far is very high value, profit is 0. Then we will check whether 7 is less than this 9999 or not. Yes, 7 is less than 999. We will set the min so far to 7. Then we will subtract the min so far from value. 7 minus 7 will be 0, our profit will be 0. Then we will check what is the minimum element so far. Is it the current value or the existing min so far? As you can see, 1 is less than the min so far. We will set the min so far as 1. Then we will subtract the value minus min so far. This will again be 0. Then we will again check what is the minimum element so far. Is it the current element or the existing min so far? As you can see, 1 is less than 5. So min so far will remain 1 only. Then we will subtract 5 minus 1, that is 4. We will do the same thing for the entire array and our maximum value will be 6 minus 1 and the answer will be 5.